The ultimate guide to tape-in weft hair extensions. Volume meets versatility. Let's be real for a second, we have all had those days where we look in the mirror, sigh at our reflection, and wish we could snap our fingers and instantly have the hair of a Disney princess. You know what I'm talking about? That thick, cascading mane that moves in slow motion when you turn your head. While magic wands aren't exactly available on Amazon, the hair industry has cooked up something pretty close. Tape-in weft hair extensions. If you've been torn between the easy application of tape-ins and the luxurious volume of a sew-in weave, you are going to love this. It is the best of both worlds. A hybrid hero in the world of hair. Grab a coffee, sit back, and let's dive deep into why this method might just be the hair transformation you've been waiting for. https rawhairluxury.com/the-ultimate-to-tape-in-weft-hair-extensions/ #RawHairLuxury. #tape-in-weft hair extensions. #long tape weft hair extensions. #weft tape in hair extensions.